Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exceptional video. So guys, if you are watching first time my video, please do subscribe my channel. So guys, these are some spares I purchased from spare part market for my Volkswagen Ameo. So I have planned to modify my existing center console to center console with armrest and rear AC vents. So this is our armrest, and this one is the AC vent. So it will come like this. Then this is the airflow pipe. This side is the air inlet, and other one is air outlet. Outlet will come over here. So next one is the new center console, as you can see. The center console is also different on Highline and base models. So I will show you the difference in detail. So in Highline model center console, the cup holder will come like this. We can adjust the cup holder, and in trendline and comfortline models we can't adjust it. So guys, the fact is that we need these four parts for our modification project, and I spent approximate 10k for these parts. And the purchased shop is Chennai based, and I will give the details of the shop in the description. So guys, now I will show you some walk around views. So that's it. Now we are moving to our installation part, so stay tuned friends. So we are entering to our cabin. As you can see, it's a basic center console without any armrest and rear AC vents. In the existing center console, the 12 volt power socket will come over here, and in our new center console it will come just above the gear knob. So at the time of installation of our new center console, I will explain you everything in detail. Before that, we have to remove this center console. So guys, initially we have to remove this gear cover and this frame, and also this trim, because there are many screws behind these parts. So we have to remove that screws before pulling everything out. So for removing these parts, we are using this small tool made up of plastic. Just insert it through the sideways and pull it out. So guys, we removed the gear cover. So next we are moving to remove this panel. Just insert the plastic tool like this and pull it out carefully. So all these panels are fixed using locks, so carefully remove it to avoid breakage of locks. Okay guys, so we removed it carefully without any breakage of locks. You can see the metal locks around the panel. So guys, there are two screws here, so we have to open it. So last one is this trim. It will open like this. So one screw is here. So guys, I have removed these screws, and two screws from here, and one from here. So guys, we have removed total 5 screws, and we have to remove it by part. So disengage the sides. There are small locks on both the sides, and now pull this area out. So guys, now you can see the part is disengaged. So remove this panel. So this one is just our initial step. Now we have to remove the center console. For that, two screws are here. These are the last two screws. So guys, I have removed that last two screws, and now our center console is free now. So guys, some more work is required. As you can see, this handbrake is blocking our center console. So we have to loose it down for getting this center console out. So friends, at last we have removed our center console, as you can see. It's not actually a hectic job. So this area is our air outlet area for rear AC vents. Actually guys, this is fully closed, as you can see. For Volkswagen models without rear AC vents, the system will come like this. And guys, this clamp is used for fixing of armrest. It is the base of the armrest actually, and 4 screws are there for fitting the clamp. The screws will sit here, and the clamp will come like this. So friends, now I cut this area using a cutter. Now you can see one hole is visible here, and the air will come out from here. So guys, now I have made one extension using PVC, as you can see. So it is made as per the shape of our airflow pipe, and it is made up of PVC pipe, and shape is made using hot air gun. And I am extremely sorry guys for not taking that videos. So guys, it's time for show you the airflow from the vent. And now the air is not present here, as you can see. Now I change the air portion switch. Now you can see the airflow. The airflow pipe will come like this. It's a perfect fitment, as you can see. It will perfectly sit on the net. Now guys, you can see the air is present here. Wow, super cool. There is a decent airflow is here. Actually one hole is present here. So for tightening this airflow pipe, I have made this clamp. It's a aluminum clamp, and it will fix it like this. and we will screw it together, and the pipe will sit here tightly. So friends, the fitment of air pipe has done. As you can see, all the screws are on, and it is perfectly sit on this place. So our next step is to install the center console. So here is our new center console. So guys, now you can see our new center console with the minor differences from our old center console. So now I am going to install this, and I will show you after the installation. So friends, now I am sitting on the rear side, and it's a time for showing you the final part. We have installed the center console and the armrest perfectly, as you can see. So this is our last part, the AC vents and cup holder. It comes with some locks and one screw. So place it on the position and give a press. Now it is fixed by the locks, and finally we are going to tighten it using this screw. So friends, finally everything has done perfectly, and accomplished our task successfully. And also guys, definitely comment on the comment box how it looks. The blower is on, and you can see the airflow. So guys, my car is Volkswagen Ameo trendline model, and this setup is comes actually on Highline models. So this info is for guys who have trendline models. So thank you guys for watching this video.